If you drink these 7 drinks, you won't be able to shrink your enlarged prostate. Imagine constantly needing to go to the bathroom, restless nights and discomfort throughout the day, all because of an enlarged prostate. What if I told you the drinks you consume every day could be making things worse? Yes, you heard that right. Some common drinks can harm your prostate, even if you don't realize it. An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a problem many men face as they get older. It usually leads to uncomfortable symptoms such as frequent urination, difficulty starting or stopping the flow of urine, and even pain. While there are medical treatments, your diet, especially what you drink, plays a key role in managing this condition. In this video, I'll tell you about the 7 worst drinks for people with an enlarged prostate, starting with number 7 and going all the way to the number 1 drink to avoid at all costs. Watch until the end, because the main culprit might surprise you. Number 7. Alcohol. Alcohol, especially beer and other alcoholic beverages, is a known diuretic, which means it makes you pee more. For men with an enlarged prostate, this can lead to more frequent trips to the bathroom and worsen problems like a sudden urge to pee and a weak urine stream. Additionally, alcohol irritates the bladder and prostate, which can worsen symptoms like discomfort and inflammation. Regularly drinking large amounts of alcohol can also lead to dehydration, which makes your urine more concentrated and further irritates the bladder. Reducing your alcohol intake or quitting altogether can significantly ease these unpleasant symptoms. Number 6. Energy drinks. Energy drinks might give you a short burst of energy, but they have serious consequences for your prostate. Loaded with caffeine, sugar, and artificial ingredients, energy drinks can overstimulate your bladder, leading to frequent and urgent urination. Caffeine is a known bladder irritant and can worsen prostate inflammation, making symptoms like frequent urination even worse. The high sugar content in energy drinks contributes to inflammation in the body, which over time can worsen prostate health. If you're struggling with an enlarged prostate, giving up energy drinks is a simple yet important change you can make. Number 5. Carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks like soda or lemonade might seem refreshing, but they can irritate your bladder and make peeing problems worse. Many carbonated drinks have caffeine, which makes you pee more often, just like coffee and energy drinks do. Also, lots of high fructose, corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners in soda can cause inflammation, which can be bad for your prostate. The bubbles in soda can make you feel bloated and cause more discomfort, making it harder to deal with an enlarged prostate. To help your prostate, try swapping soda for still water or herbal teas. They're much gentler on your system. Number 4. Artificially sweetened drinks. Artificially sweetened drinks like diet soda and sugar-free juices might seem like a healthier choice, especially if you're trying to avoid extra sugar. However, these drinks often contain artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose, which can irritate the bladder and worsen enlarged prostate symptoms. In some people, these sweeteners can act as triggers, leading to increased urination and more frequent trips to the bathroom, as well as bladder pain. Additionally, artificial sweeteners can contribute to chronic inflammation in the body, which over time can worsen prostate problems. Plus, many artificially sweetened drinks are carbonated, which increases their negative impact, causing bloating and further irritating the bladder. If you want to maintain your prostate health, you should avoid artificially sweetened drinks and choose natural alternatives like water or herbal tea. Number 3. Coffee. Coffee is a favorite drink for many, but it can be problematic for men with an enlarged prostate. The main problem is caffeine, a stimulant that irritates the bladder and increases urine production. This leads to more frequent and urgent urination, which is especially unpleasant if you already have urination problems caused by your prostate. In addition, caffeine can make it difficult for the bladder to relax, preventing it from emptying completely. Another problem is the acidity of coffee, which can further irritate the lining of the bladder, increasing discomfort and inflammation. While switching to decaf coffee may reduce some of these problems, keep in mind that even decaf still contains a small amount of caffeine. For those who want to improve their prostate health, replacing coffee with herbal teas, such as chamomile or mint, may be a more beneficial and healthy alternative. Number 2. Sugary fruit juices. Fruit juices may seem like a healthy choice, but many store-bought options are loaded with added sugar, which can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation throughout your body. This added sugar can contribute to chronic inflammation, which directly impacts prostate health. Inflammation is a key player in worsening enlarged prostate symptoms, such as more frequent and urgent urination. Even the natural sugar in fruit juice can be harmful if you drink too much, as it can irritate the bladder and make you need to go more often. If you enjoy fruit juice, it's best to choose fresh, unsweetened options and limit your intake. Number 1. Milkshakes. At the top of the list of drinks to avoid for prostate health are milkshakes. They might be tasty and satisfy a sweet craving, but milkshakes are usually packed with unhealthy fats, sugar, and calories, which is bad news for an enlarged prostate. Full-fat dairy products are linked to an increased risk of inflammation, which can worsen prostate conditions and make symptoms like urinary problems worse. The combination of saturated fats and high sugar content in milkshakes not only contributes to inflammation, but can also lead to weight gain, which is a known risk factor for worsening prostate health. If you're craving a creamy treat, consider plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk, which are lighter, healthier, and much better for your prostate. The health of your prostate is directly connected to the choices you make every day, and what you drink plays a bigger role than you might think. By cutting out these harmful drinks from your diet, you can reduce inflammation, ease urinary problems, and naturally take care of your prostate health. Remember, small changes over time lead to big improvements. As they say, constant dripping wears away a stone. Start by swapping those drinks for healthier options like water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juices without added sugar. By taking care of your body now, you're not only improving how you feel every day, but you're also protecting your health for the future. So the next time you reach for a drink, think about what's best for your prostate and your overall health.